In this video, I'll show you how to create a two-way flow between Outlook Calendar and Google Calendar with Unito. Here I've got my Outlook Calendar, which in this use case helps me plan and coordinate projects with freelancers who work on our website. However, the freelance team I work with prefers Google Calendar, which means I need to create events in both tools and update them whenever there is a change. So how we want this flow to work is that when a new event is created in Outlook, it will sync over to Google Calendar and vice versa, so that both teams can stay in their tool of choice and work can be more easily coordinated. I'll show you how this works. I'll create an event in Outlook to update the home page. Then add some details in the description. I'll also be sure to categorize it with a red color, which will tell Unito to sync this over to Google Calendar. Then I'll make sure it's an all-day event and hit save. Now, if I head over to Google Calendar, we'll see that event replicated. So we can see that event synced over with all the details. So now freelancers have the information they need to plan their work accordingly. Since the flow is two-way, the freelance team can also add events, and when tagged red, they will sync back over to Outlook Calendar. This is helpful to notify vacation or days where they're not available, for example, so that I can appropriately plan instead of lots of back and forth emails. So I'll create an event in Google Calendar, and we'll see that sync over to Outlook. I'll start by tagging it red, adding a title, and making it a multi-day event. So now I'll head back over to Outlook Calendar, and we'll see that sync over. So the event is here. And this way, when I look at my calendar, I can see both the projects that I've assigned out and also the times that freelancers aren't available. In addition to the two-way functionality, any updates made to these events are going to sync back and forth between calendars. For example, if dates change or the scope of a project changes. This way, everybody's on the same page, there's more visibility and less back and forth.